Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's just jump right into it. First thing you're gonna need is gloves, then cooking oil, then your spices, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, whole oregano. Then we have our Lipton onion soup mix, our Lawry's, our adobo, and our granulated beef bouillon, or you can use bouillon cubes. I use green peppers for this, onions, carrots, red potatoes, only because that was left in the store, and flour. This is optional if you like to make gravy. Now, we're going to season our meat. Make sure before you season it, you clean it thoroughly. And when you're cleaning it, use your gloves, people, please. As you can see, I'm using my gloves to mix in the seasonings into the meat. I'm going to take it off, flip it, add some more to the other side, and then I'm going to put my gloves back on and mix it in again. Now here, I'm going to saute some onions, and you don't want to saute them too much, just enough so they turn nice and yellow. And then I'm going to put in my green peppers, and I don't want the green peppers to be overbearing, so I only put a little bit. You can put as much as you want, it's to your liking. And I'm going to take that out. I'm going to keep the grease going, and then I'm going to put my pot roast on the pan so I can sear it up and brown it. And you want to do this for about 5 to 6, 7 minutes on each side until it's brown. This is not how you're going to be cooking it, but you just want to brown it up and make sure you get the sides as well. Then you're going to put your pot roast back into your pan, add your onions and green peppers, and then this is where you add your Lipton onion soup mix and your bouillon cubes or your granulated bouillon mix. Then we're going to add some water, or you can add some broth if you like. I just added water. I'm going to add a little bit more and make sure you put it on the side so it doesn't knock off all the seasonings that you just put. And now we're going to wrap this baby up. We're going to put it in the oven for about an hour and a half. And I have my oven on 375. See you later. Now, it's been an hour and a half. I'm going to take this baby out. We're going to see what it's looking like. It's looking good, but it's not done yet. Now, this is where the flour comes in. So you get about a half a cup of flour, or even less, because I think I used a little bit too much at first. And you're going to add that broth that you made in the with the meat. I tried to use a whisk at first. As you can see, it was a fail. So I got a spoon and I mixed it up. And as you can see, it's a little bit too clumpy for my liking. So I took some out and I added a little bit more water, and it mixed perfectly. But you want to make sure that there are no clumps. So then that's when you can take your whisk and mix it all together. Now, I'm not going to cut mine at the end. I'm going to cut it before I put it back in, so that it can just, already set for when I take it out. I'm going to add my potatoes and carrots, and we're going to add that flour and water mix, and then we're going to mix it in with everything else so that you can make your gravy. This is how you want gravy. That's why this is optional. If you don't want gravy, you don't have to add that. And now we're going to add our seasonings again, just to top it off and give it a nice little kick. You don't want to add too much. I don't have any measurements. Just keep going until the God says stop. And we're going to mix all that together. Make sure you get it all on your vegetables and your potatoes. And we're going to put it back in the oven for an hour. And voila, this is our masterpiece. It looks so yummy and it tastes even better. And guys, listen, I know this not fancy, but I done already washed my dishes, so I plated it up on a paper plate. works just as fine. I made some rice and I'll put my roast on top. Bon appetit, people. So there you go. Make sure you add all of your vegetables. You can add any other sides that you like. I just added rice. You just use the vegetables for the vegetables. Rice is a starch. Top it off with some gravy, baby. We're all done. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.